Are you looking for a live TV for your Amazon Fire TV stick? If so, check this out. First things first, folks. Download a little application called Downloader. If you already have it, fast forward 10 seconds, because that's all how long it takes to download. DOW comes up super quick. Downloaders, the orange icon with a download arrow. If you don't have it, get it, download it, install it. Takes a few quick seconds. Once it's installed, go back to the home screen and we will need to jailbreak our Fire TV stick. When I say jailbreak, all we do is turn on an option that enables us to sideload applications through the downloader app. Come down to My Fire TV under the settings icon. And if you do not have developer options listed, go into About, and on Fire Stick, just click on the select button a few times, and no need, you're now a developer. Under Developer Options, click on ADB Debugging, and under Install Unknown Apps, turn on Downloader. This allows Downloader to install other applications that are not from the Amazon App Store, but are probably from stores like the Google Play Store. So let's click our home button and find a downloader. And downloaders under the 3 squares plus sign. Down here at the bottom, we can move that to the front. And when we're at our home screen, now it's at the front. Go to downloader and open it up. Once downloader opens, you will need to allow it to access photos, media, and files on your device because it will like to save these applications onto your Fire TV stick. So we allow it. A little quick start guide, we can say OK. Now go up to the URL search term and type in quick link 546835 and then come down and click go. This will direct us to our Led by the Unknown website. There's a little 5-second redirect. Once this redirect is done, click on the 3-line button on your remote, and we can add this page to our favorites. Come down to save, and our favorites is done. Now once we're in here, guys, just do the little pull down menu, and you can just go right to downloads. And this is our application page where you can download the applications you would like to put on your Fire TV stick. So guys, if you'd like to sign up for our email list, please do. If not, just click the little X icon and get out of there. Now under movies, TV shows, live TV streaming apps, we can click on something like Zumo TV, which has all 3 of them and a great live TV selection. Under Zumo TV, you have the option for the Amazon device or Android mobile. Now once Zumo Play has completed its download, it asks you to install the application. And once it's installed, click Done. Now you will need to delete the APK file because we no longer need it installed as Zumo Play is already installed. And we can go to the home screen. Let's go down to our 3 squares plus sign. We put like Nord to the front. And let's find Zumo Play. Let's move it to the front. And when we go back to our home screen, everything's nicely laid out for us and ready to go. Zumo Play. Starts up with the live TV guide, so recommended. As you can tell, kind of starts playing in the background quickly there. And we got a bunch of applications to go through. And we have a bunch of channels that we can go through. We count out news. So if you want all your news, like ABC, look at that. If you're ready to watch NFL, 34, folks. Here it is. CBS, Local Now, NBC, Newsmax. We got weather, Fox Weather. Like, I don't know why people even have cable anymore. Sports. Oh, let's go back into the sports here. So some championships, ACC, some derbies. Poker, strongman, golf, poker, like you be in sports, combat sports, automotive. You guys are auto junkies. We watch the Ferrari. TV crime, action, comedy, horror, sci-fi, nature, western, home and design, game shows, food, travel, Latino, reality TV, classics, faith and family, kids. Like, you got kids, like, boom. These channels just keep coming, guys. Pop culture, international, music, radio, local news. And there you have the live TV available on Xumo Play. If you're also looking for watch free movies, Xumo Original, exclusive, editor picks, romance, action, thriller, like, guys, you can't go wrong with this application. And same with TV channels or TV shows. And let's see what networks has here. Oh yeah, like all the networks. Pick and choose what you want, folks. All right. To Black History Month. Here we go. Peace. Enjoy. Happy streaming. Peace.